Hi guys and welcome on GSM ABC YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to insert your SIM card and memory card in Samsung Galaxy A45. So here is my phone A45 and first you need to look inside the box for this pin, and with this one I will remove the slot for the SIM card, and the slot is here in the top of your phone. I hope you see it. And now just put this pin inside the hole like this and push it. Now remove the slot, and let's take a closer look to this slot. And here you can put the SIM1. It's a nano SIM. You need a nano SIM, and on the other side you can put the SIM2 or a memory SD card. Now let me show you how to put the SIM cards. Here is my SIM1, and as I told you, you need a nano SIM, and this is the right position, like this. Okay, and it fits well, it doesn't fall. Okay, and on the other side, if you want to put the SIM2, also you need a nano SIM, and this is the right position. I hope you see it. So now my slot card is with two SIMs, the SIM1 and the SIM2, and they are put it well because they doesn't fall. Now if you want to put on the back instead of the SIM2 a memory SD card, just remove the card, and here is my memory SD card, and you need to put it like this. Okay, and now here I have the SIM1, and on the back I have a memory SD card. They are put it well because they doesn't fall. And now to put this slot inside the phone, you need to have the SIM1 in your front, and just insert the SIM like this and push it, and that's all. So it is very easy. Now to remove again the slot, just put the pin inside the hole, again push it. Now remove the slot, and remove the SIM card, and also remove the memory card, and put it back like this. Okay, so this was my tutorial for today. I hope to be useful for you, and see you to the next. Have a nice day.